Now, another major component that you want to address with the iOS commands is actually assigning your interface IP addresses and getting to the actual configuration of the interface. In this particular screen, what I have done first of all is that I identified a brand new context. Here what I'm doing is, under Configure Terminal, I am changing to Interface Context. I'm doing it one of two ways. I can type it out, interface, whatever the type of interface is, and whatever the number is. In this case, Fast Ethernet 0/0. If I change to Fast Ethernet 0/0, I'm going to be sitting on the first Fast Ethernet interface on my router. Now realize that this particular name is going to change on probably every router that you sit down at. The reason why is demonstrated on the 3800 router. It doesn't have Fast Ethernet interfaces like the 2800 does. It has Gigabit Ethernet interfaces. So the name, instead of Fast Ethernet, would be Gigabit Ethernet. And then you have to specify the correct numbering sequence, depending upon how many module slots the router has. It may actually change its number. In this case, I'm dealing with the 2800 router, which only has 2 slots. So FE 0/0 or Fast Ethernet 0/0 is perfectly acceptable. When I deal with a 3800 router, you're going to see that I'm going to use G for this, or fast, and then I have to specify a 2-part command, which would be 0/0. The first number indicating the module, the second number indicating the interface. We're going to see that in the lab in just a second, but specifically here, however, we get to the interface. We're going to notice that it will change this prompt to configuration-if for interface. Now what I can do is I can actually assign this interface an IP address.